3, 1.
We got 2 drummers.
Well, let's move on to the next question. Give me Marty. Give me Tony.
Come on, dude.
Point values triple. Top 4 answers on the board. Name an animal that can run faster than an Olympic track star.
Cheetah.
Number 1, cheetah. We rolling. Dave, give me an animal that runs faster than a track star.
Tiger.
Tiger. Jacoby, give me an animal run faster than a track star.
An impala.
An impala.
It's the same thing as a
It's
gazelle.
it's
It's just
exactly-
the other name.
It's an antelope, so it fits in there, yeah.
Wow, great.
All right, name an animal, Jerry, that can run faster than an Olympic track star.
A bear.
A bear. All right, we got 2 strikes. Now we got to slow it down. If it's not there, the other team can steal and win. Name an animal that can run faster than an Olympic track star.
Lion.
Lion. Lion.
Good answer. Come on, let's go. Man,
They look
we aren't
really,
doing so good.
Yeah, confident. They look really, really confident. God, dogs. Well, if it's up there, fellas, you steal, you win the game. If it's not there, the other team gets a chance to play sudden death. Name an animal that can run faster than an Olympic track star.
Horse.
This is for the win. A horse.